So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a gray.co account. A gray account is like a fintech app that allows you create other foreign accounts here. So you can be in Nigeria and have a US bank account, a UK bank account, a Canadian bank account. Yeah, it is basically used for remote workers and freelancers, so you can receive money when you do job for foreigners. So to create your Gray account, the first thing you want to do is to download from Google Play Store. You head over to Google and to your Play Store and search for Gray Finance. Just search for Gray. Yeah, it comes up and then you download. You click on Open. Then it comes up, you see Get Started or Login. So obviously we don't have an account, so we'll be clicking on Get Started. So where do you live? We live in Nigeria. Say Continue. Confirm you have a valid ID for Nigerian. Yes, we do have a valid ID, so you need to have like your NIN or your driver's license or whatever. Proceed with Nigeria. So now you need to enter the name that is shown on your bank account or your valid ID. Yeah, so your first name, your middle name, and your surname. Now these are the names that is shown on your ID card and also on your bank account. Yeah, select your gender and enter your email, also your phone number. Okay, after you finish entering these informations correctly, you click on Continue. Now you choose a password. Obviously I'll blur this part when I'm recording. Then you click on Continue. Now an OTP will be sent to your email address, so you head over to your email. You head over to your email and copy your OTP. Come back here and paste it. Okay, so then they ask, what do you want to use Gray for? So you select everything you plan on using Gray for. Create foreign accounts to receive payments. Okay, these you just select what you plan on using Gray account for. So set your all-in-one pin. Yeah, so you create pin. Obviously I will blur this out. So when you finish creating your pin, you click on Continue. Okay, confirm your Gray pin. After confirming, you click on Finish Setup. So welcome to Gray. You go to now this is your Gray account. This is your Gray account. Yeah, this is your Gray account. You can see you have you can create other bank accounts, British, Euro, Nigerian. Yeah. Now for you to add other accounts for now, you need to finish your ID verification. Yeah. So this will involve you putting your NIN or your driver's license, whichever one you think carries the same name you used in registering the Gray account. That's what you would use. Yeah. So that's all for creating a Gray account. Once you create this, you have every other account you need. You have your British, you have your Euro. I think you can also create some other country back account using your Gray, and you can also link it to your PayPal. Actually, I'm doing this because I want to link it to my PayPal account. Yeah. So guys, this is my Gray account. Yeah. The verification was very fast. Yeah, it took me less than 2 minutes for them to verify me. All you have to do is submit your NIN. I submitted the plastic NIN card and did face verification, and in less than 2 minutes my account was verified. Now if you go to history, now I've used the account to do some transaction. I've used it to receive money from my PayPal, pounds from my PayPal. I've converted the pounds to naira, and I've used it to transfer money from here to my back account. Yes, my Kuda back account. Actually, it worked. So you can transfer money to your microfinance back account. So far, everything has been going smoothly with my Gray account. I 100% recommend it. Yeah. So hopefully you create yours and start receiving money from your foreign clients. See you guys in the next one.